Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2013 Ram 2500 in an SLT trim and powered by a 6.7-liter Cummins Turbodiesel inline 6, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and freshly detailed, so it's nice and clean. This is a mega cab configuration, so you do have quite a bit more space in the back, but let's take a look inside. So first, taking a look in the back, where you do have very spacious seating for three, with fold-out armrests and two cup holders in the middle, and then the seats can be, let's see here, folded down flat to provide a flat cargo surface with more room in the back too. Here you have some extra compartments for more storage and some hooks to hang your stuff on or tie it down. And this truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. And does also have a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 201,724 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your cruise controls, and on the left you have your hands-free phone controls as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through things such as your digital speedometer, your vehicle info such as oil life, fuel filter life, battery voltage, turbo exhaust, summary, engine hours, tire pressures. And then you can also go into your fuel economy, your trip A and B information, trailer tow status, your audio status, messages, screen setup in general, and then you do also have your hands-free radio controls on the back of the steering wheel. Then moving on to your center, your Infotainment Center, which is radio Sirius. And then I believe also Bluetooth, auxiliary, and USB, so you do have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. Then shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Does have a premium Alpine sound system in this truck, so your audio is going to sound decent. Moving down from your screen though, you have your climate controls here, very simple, easy to use, just on 3 dials with the hazards above it. And to the left you have your 4x4 controls and 12 volt power outlet beneath it. And on the right you have a 115 volt power outlet with a little thing above it and a USB beneath it. And then in the middle you have your trailer brake controller, traction control shutoff, tow haul mode, diesel exhaust brake, and tire light load inflation. Moving on to your center console area, where you have 3 cup holders and a large center compartment / armrest here, which does have another 12 volt USB and auxiliary inside, so you can plug something into power charge or just hook up your audio with it from there. And then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. And then underneath that you actually have another compartment for even more storage, so that's always great. And then last but not least, you do also have a power sliding rear window. That should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.